The sad and shocking news that Arijit sir is no longer with us. It is, still hard to believe. Sir, you will be remembered by the whole LCGVM family, be your colleagues, co-teachers, students, management, non-teaching staff. Everyone is going to remember you and miss you. Whenever I used to have any doubt in my subject, I used to take guidance from you, and you always used to, try to sort out the problems and all that. You will be remembered as a strict disciplinarian, a helpful colleague, a polite gentleman, and of course, a humble and kind human being. ईश्वर से सिर्फ यही प्रार्थना है कि वो इस दुख और संकट की घड़ी में उनके परिवार को अपार शक्ति प्रदान करें, ताकि उनका साहस और धैर्य ना टूटे. सर, you will be missed by all of us.
Good morning, students. Hope you are well. Many of you know about the unexpected demise of Arijit sir. Arijit sir, a well-known science teacher, administrator, and above all, a thorough gentleman and a great soul, left for heavenly abode early on 11th of May. Words are enough to express this great loss. The physics department of LCGBM will be forever missing him and his contribution. He was an excellent colleague and guide. He was always ready to share his ideas so that students are benefited. The loss is also personal, as I have learned many things from him. The physics department condoles his demise, and may God gives his family strength to cope up with this great loss. May his soul rest in peace.
ये अत्यंत दुखद और कष्टदायी है कि इस वैश्विक महामारी के प्रकोप में हमारे विद्यालय के दो कर्मठ शिक्षक मिस्टर अरिजीत घोष और मिस्टर सुमन दत्त आज हमारे बीच नहीं रहे. वे अपने विषय में पूर्ण थे. उनकी कमी विद्यालय को आजीवन खलेगी और उस कमी का भरपाई होना नामुमकिन है. ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है कि उनकी आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करें और उनके परिवार को इस कठिन परिस्थिति से लड़ने और उबरने की शक्ति दे.
When I heard the news of your demise, Arijit sir, it came as quite a shock. You have been a part of the school for so long that you are almost like a family member to us. We all knew you as a good chemistry teacher and a strict disciplinarian, but the students knew in their hearts that you loved them as if you were their own father. Arijit sir, you may not be physically present in the school, however, you remain in our hearts forever. Rest in peace.
Arijit sir, wherever you are, please bless your students so that they can follow the path shown by you, the path of integrity, the path of discipline. You will remain always in our hearts.
I am saddened at the unexpected demise of our two beloved teachers, Shumon sir from the Commerce Department and Arijit sir from the Science Department. Shumon sir had joined our esteemed institution in the month of April 2021. It was for a very short span of time that we had an opportunity to interact with him. As he belonged to the Commerce Department, I interacted with him the most. He was a learned man with profound knowledge, having long teaching experience of 22 years. When he joined our institution with such experience, I had a feeling that he will enrich all of us and our students in every aspect. Together, we will make a great team, encouraging success and overcoming challenges. Due to COVID-19, his untimely demise on 25th April left all of us speechless. Arijit sir being my colleague, I had interacted with him over the years. With his insight and experience, he always made the classroom brighter. That's probably going to be missed by us always. On behalf of LCGVM family, I extend my sincere condolences for their loss to their family members. May we all pray together so that their soul rest in peace.
It was a sudden shock to hear about the loss of Urijit sir and Shuman sir, who played a vital role in growth and development of our institution within a very short time span. Urijit sir was a respectful gentleman in our institution who played a great role in imposing proper discipline in our school. Shuman sir, with his insight and experience, always made the classroom brighter. We extend our sincere condolence for their loss.
With profound grief, I need to share with you all that COVID-19 has robbed us of our two very talented and gifted teachers. It is very difficult to express the loss in words. Both of them have been very good teachers in their might and right. Especially Mr. Arijit Ghosh, who had donned various hats and various responsibilities. Shuman Datta, although he joined only for a few days, but he brought with him a lot of experience. The loss is irreparable and irreplaceable. Students, I want you to remember your teachers with all the respect and follow the guidelines for which they stood for. Discipline, hard work, sincerity, honesty, and perfection in work. That will be your best tribute. I pray to Almighty that the departed souls should rest in peace.
The second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic is wreaking havoc. Earlier, it was just a number of people who had succumbed, which was replaced by people whom we knew, our acquaintances. And now we have started losing our near and dear ones. The LCGVM family suffered two irreparable and irrepressible blows in the last 1 month. We lost two of our dear teachers during this last month of the pandemic. We lost Mr. Suman Datta on 25th of April. I distinctly remember when we received his application for a vacancy in the Commerce Department of LCGVM. We were all very excited because he was a very senior teacher who brought with him a lot of experience, and we felt that he joining the faculty team of Vidya Mandir would be highly beneficial to the students. It is most unfortunate that we lost him so early and we could not take full advantage of his teaching and his wisdom, his experience of all these years. Mr. Arijit Ghosh had been with Vidya Mandir for now almost over a decade. It so happened at one particular moment of time, we were not having an administrator in this school, and when the management approached Arijit with a request that would he be gracious enough to handle this added responsibility, he, as a thorough gentleman, readily agreed. He was a towering personality, an excellent teacher, loved by his students, and respected by his colleagues. The students and all of us at Vidya Mandir will definitely miss both these personalities. It is most unfortunate that two of our family members passed away, and both of them were so young. It is really very, very disheartening and unfortunate. On behalf of the management of Lions Calcutta Greater Vidya Mandir and myself, I offer our heartfelt condolences to both Mrs. Arijit Ghosh and Mrs. Suman Datta. I pray to the Almighty for the eternal peace of the departed souls, and also to grant us strength to bear these losses. I also take this opportunity to convey to Mrs. Ghosh and Mrs. Datta that in case they need any help, any assistance from the management of LCGVM, please do not hesitate. We are always at your beck and call. I pray once again to the Almighty for the eternal peace of the departed souls. Om Shanti.